My name is Trent Campbell. My business is carbuffnetwork.com. I've been working on this business for the last year and a half. What I do in the automotive industry is I insure collector vehicles. Currently, my agency has a little more than 600 vehicles insured. As an insurance agent, I was trying to locate businesses locally that I could network with, and found it really challenging to find these businesses online because most of these shops don't have a web presence. So carbuffnetwork.com allows business owners to profile their business. The way that the website optimizes these businesses is by markets that they want to be found in and services that they specialize in. This website is designed in a way that brings the businesses together through projects that they work on jointly, and also by allowing a business owner to endorse other businesses that they prefer to do business with. The business owner can build their own profile and maintain it with a username and a password. They can change the content, the wording on their profile, they can change the pictures out, they can endorse other businesses. A lot of times I'll go to an auto event, like a vehicle, but chances are pretty good that I'll never find out who did the work on that vehicle. So now someone could go to the website, see a vehicle on there, know everything about that vehicle, as well as the shops that are involved in the project build. I know that there's a market for this. Currently, it's very difficult to find local businesses online in the automotive industry. And I believe this is the case because of either resources that it takes to build a site and optimize it, or they simply don't know who to talk to about building a website. In talking to clients that I have, roughly 90% of those clients that are business owners don't have a presence online. Because you are able to search by specialty and by market, I think it's going to make it easier for people to find the shops that they need to do the work on their vehicle that they need done. So for me, this has been a real eye-opener. As I've talked to people and shown them what we have so far, people are generally amazed that there's this many businesses around here that specialize. I have developed a lot of friendships. A lot of business owners have become good friends of mine. This is really exciting for me as technology develops and more consumers are going online to find what they need. This is what our industry needs to be found at a local level, and I believe that we have achieved that.